Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us again. This is Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network, here walking around a 2021 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 with you. If you're on our YouTube page, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment below what you think about our Shelby. Also, don't forget to ring the bell so that you'll get notifications about our new inventory and our walkarounds as they're made. This is our way of being transparent and showing you the things that do not show up in our 100 high-definition photos that are located on our website. If you'd like to see those and everything else that we offer, please visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. At the end of the video, you'll be able to hear the exhaust note and the engine running on the Shelby, so let's go ahead and get started with the walk around. Okay everyone, excited to walk around this GT500 with you. As you can see, it's only got 2,800 miles, so it's got good tread on the tires. There is not a mark for me to zoom in on while we do these walk arounds, so I'm going to go ahead and go around it with you. The front bumper, the entirety of it has been covered in paint protection film, otherwise known as PPF, and the rest of this car, including the fully carbon fiber wheels, are in outstanding condition. Along with the wing, deck lid, down the driver's side. It's going to be 2 years old, 2,800 miles, and it is a flawless, amazing machine. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior, shall we? Okay, let's show you what doesn't show up in our photos, which is this side of the visor, the headliner, and the top of the dash. It also smells like new, so there is definitely non-smoker. If you have any questions about the interior or exterior condition, or maybe financing options or shipping options, give Jennifer a call. Her name and number is located at the bottom of your screen. Stay tuned to hear the exhaust note and to hear the engine running on the Shelby, and we hope to see you again next time.